Now, growing up in the household garden, I used to grow a lot of carnations, and one of the reasons is because they smell absolutely divine. Oh wow, it brings me back to my childhood, it certainly does. Now this is a Ms Carnation, and this one here is a pixie carnation. So you can see there's a lot of different branched out heads on the stem. Equally, it smells divine as well. So if you're after the clustered look, I strongly recommend you invest in pixie carnations, but if you're after the solo look, then I highly recommend the Ms Carnation. Now, carnations can last for up to 2 weeks. They're very long-lasting cut flowers. And if you're after loyalty in your relationship, this is certainly the flower to invest in. It encourages gender equality, investment in the relationship that you have with your partner to be equal as well. And if you are seeking a soulmate, well, this is certainly the flower to promote that. Ask, God says, and I shall deliver. So if you're seeking a soulmate, and if you find him and you want to keep that union strong, healthy and thriving, carnation is the cut flower for that. I hope you've enjoyed today's tip.